Alright. Look at beautiful cave houses. Nice. Oh my god. Whew. Beautiful.
This is a peach tree, a walnut tree. سلام خسته نباشید. خدا قوت. شما جان چیکار میکنی؟ بکن چیکار میکنی؟ بکن سبزی بکاری بکن ما خودی پول برم خب؟ این چی میگه؟ این بر بیا این کلا میگه از آبادی برو باشه جان ما رفت خدا حافظ آفرین
There's more on the other side. Kuya, who's gonna visit, who welcome us to visit his house. So I'm gonna take my shoes off.
Yes, please.
Alright, so,
Get in with your shoes.
no, it's okay, it's okay. Oh, it's a nice house. Thank you. Merci.
Yeah.
Has a stove, it's a kitchen. It's a nice kitchen here. Wow. Look at that. Refrigerator.
This is their home, let's say, and when his family's got to a wedding party, that's why they are not here.
He's by
Unless
himself.
we could have some tea and Nescafe today here. Well, we sit down for a while,
Sure.
and then
So how do you guys keep yourself warm? Like when it's cold here, do you guys have something?
اینجا توضیح بده که من بعد
بخاری نفتی دیگه.
You know, they've got heater.
Oh, heater system.
Yeah, the heating, very traditional heating system taken for
Gotcha.
these places.
Oh, so yeah.
Actually, the thickness of the walls is very, you know, large and very thick actually, and then insulation.
Oh
of the
yeah, it is
walls,
very thick.
yeah,
Wow.
it's nice for winter. We
Yes,
have
for winter.
more than 3 months snowing and a very low temperature in the area. But it is quite comfortable here inside.
How old is he?
چند سال تا پویا؟
16.
16 years
Oh,
old.
it's a baby.
Yeah.
It's a baby boy.
الان کار خانواده چیه؟
زن
بشین اینجا
مرده.
بازی بده اینجا توضیح تو بگیرم.
زن مرده.
We're here at Pooja's home. He welcomed us. Thank you, merci. And it's in the Kandovan Village. It's very cozy. It's in the caves.
مدرسه رفتی یا نرفتی؟
تا الان رفتم امشب نه.
چرا؟
سخته.
مدرسه اینجا نداره مگه؟
تاشی شام ناره.
باشه اسکو؟
The kitchen.
خودتو راحت کردی دیگه. به حال سخته. راحت.
It's very cozy here. Has everything. Kitchen.
وسایل ببین این توریسته ما مورد علاقه این زیاد نیست. منم شمالی هم فردا پرواز دارم میرم تهران یه بردی تو شهر بود نظر کنم برم تهران سوار شم برم
1 کیلو نمونه بده با شماره بده ببر استفاده کنید اگه خوب بود زنگ بزن